IB English B Standard Level, May 2023, Paper 1, Tasks 2, Level 7 Answer. Subject: Request for permission to use video drones. Dear Council Representative, my name is Mary and I am seeking permission from the City Council for a project aimed at creating a short video showcasing the unique aspects of our neighbourhood, utilising drones equipped with cameras. We have three main goals for this project. The primary objective is to create a video that reflects the genuine cultural diversity of our neighbourhood. By capturing the unique traditions, events, and everyday lives of our residents, we hope to present a vivid and authentic portrayal of the vibrant culture that defines our community. Our second goal is to promote local businesses and show how they contribute to the character of our neighbourhood, fostering a sense of community pride and encouraging residents to support these enterprises. Our third goal is to develop a strong community spirit by showcasing community events, volunteer initiatives, and collaborative projects. We understand the paramount importance of addressing privacy and safety concerns associated with drone usage and are fully committed to implementing responsible practices. Firstly, drones will only be flown in pre-approved locations, carefully selected in collaboration with local authorities. We will avoid sensitive areas and respect privacy by steering clear of private properties and ensuring that the flight paths do not infringe on residents' personal spaces. Secondly, recognizing the importance of privacy, we will employ advanced technologies to blur identifiable details captured during drone flights. Any unintentional capture of recognizable individuals or private spaces will be meticulously edited to respect and protect the privacy of our residents. Thirdly, all drone operations will be overseen by licensed and trained operators who adhere strictly to safety guidelines. Safety measures, including maintaining a safe distance from buildings and avoiding crowded areas, will be rigorously implemented to mitigate any potential risks. Finally, thank you for considering our request. We are convinced that this project will demonstrate the unique side of our neighbourhood. Yours faithfully, Mary. Tips for candidate. Please plan your response. Spend about 10 minutes planning your answer. This is the golden rule if you want to obtain a level 7. Remember, the two parts of the task do not have to be equal in length. However, each part must be discussed. If one part of the task only has one sentence or is left out, then the response cannot be level 7. And finally, good luck with your